Yeah, y'all know me.
Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Haley. You hit that subscribe button somewhere that's down below here so you can be a part of the HD family. Hit that thumbs up button. If you've been here before, what's up? What's up? How you doing, girl? What's up? Welcome back. My sister, Tatiana, she sent me another box and I don't know what's inside the box as far as like, I don't know the exact products that she sent to me. All I know it's for acne. So like I said, my sister sent me a box. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check out what we got inside here. And I also picked up a couple other things from Walmart when I went to the store the other day. It's just a couple hair products. And if you stay tuned to the end of the video, you'll get to see what I say about these products. Siri's at my door. Okay, so now that I got the kids back to sit down, I had to get me some pink lemonade. I see the products that my sister sent me, which can be very helpful for you if you have dark spot problems, and if you have acne problems, you should stay tuned and maybe these products can work for you as well. You never know, so stay tuned. Alrighty. Now, Sister Destiny, when she came over from Florida, I forgot what I was opening exactly, but I was opening something with the scissors and I ended up stabbing myself right here. I don't know if the camera is gonna pick it up, but right in there, I stabbed myself and I was bleeding. Like it's a little cut, but I was bleeding really bad and she was freaking out. So these scissors made me think of her because I stabbed myself. And I can't. I don't get PR packages yet, obviously, because I'm a new YouTuber, but it's gonna be trouble. It's gonna be trouble when I do. So let's see what we got. Jesus, Tati. This damn paper. Okay. Nope. See, and she works in Clinique, that's inside Macy's. My sister, by the way, does amazing makeup. I don't know if I told you guys that before, but she does. So, what we got here. Fresh means power. New Clinique Fresh Press System with pure vitamin C. I don't know if you guys have seen these. That's what it looks like. A whole bunch, as you can see. We got a note. We got a note. My sister is so cute. She writes me notes. She said, this set will help your skin clear and acne free. I love this stuff. Use acne products for 2 weeks before using vitamin C. Instructions. She's amazing. It says use acne products for 2 weeks before using vitamin C. Let me know if you have questions. Love, Tatiana. I love my sister. I'm just learning as I go. I don't know. I'm not an expert. I just kind of watch other YouTube videos. I search things up. I talk to my sister. So this is what we got here. It says, awaken skin youthful look with the de-aging powder of fresh, potent vitamin C. The daily booster with pure vitamin C, 10%, delivers remarkable, brighter, even-toned, retexturized skin. Continued use, see visible, smoother, firmer skin with diminished lines and wrinkles. If you look up this other YouTuber, her name is Makeup by Shayla, and she's amazing. She's way up there. She hangs out with Kim Kardashian. Anyway, she's really good with makeup, and if you don't believe me, go ahead and check out her channel, Makeup by Shayla, and she also talks about Clinique. She also talks about this exact brand and what it does for her, so you can hear somebody else. It also comes in a different form. It's another form of exactly that. You just shake it up. There's this little squishy button right here, and you squish it out and it gives you the exact portion that you want to put on your face. Okay, so she also sent me a little container, this right here. It's the acne clearing gel. The acne clearing gel. This is really good. Like, I believe, if I've been using it correctly, that after you wash, cleanse, and do such and such, I just apply it to the areas that need it. I take a Q-tip and just apply it to the areas, not all over my face, because it dries kind of hard and it dries kind of like with a white cast. I don't know if you're supposed to wash it off. She didn't give me any instructions for that, so I just kind of put it on there, and this is what the main event. So it says Acne Solutions Clear Skin System. You got step 1, which is the Deep Clean Clinique Acne Solutions Clearing Foam. And it says on here that it has salicylic acid acne medication. Got some medication in there. So, and then you have step 2, which is unclog pores. And I'm also gonna do, I'm not gonna just show you guys the products, I'm gonna wash my face with it for the first time and show you guys what it looks like or how I feel about it when I first use. Clinique's Acne Solutions Clarifying Lotion. And then step 3 is Treat and Clear, which is the all over clearing treatment, oil-free. Step 3 clears away dirt and oil, unclogs pores after 1 week. And it just tells you, I'm not about to read all that because that's just gonna bore you, but it kind of tells you what's supposed to happen within the week, the day, the week, and such, like the results. We're gonna put it to test if you follow me on Instagram at Haley Alexa, and I will probably be updating like how I feel about this. Before I wash my face, I'm just gonna show you the products I picked up from Walmart, and then I'll tell you my thoughts at the end. The other things I picked up from the store were this Shea Moisture, and it's African water, mint, and ginger. Detox and refresh hair and scalp leave-in detangler with activated charcoal. And it says it actively smooth and soothe wavy curly hair. It smells amazing. It smells like fresh mint, like straight mint. If you have a problem with the smell of mint, then you probably won't like this. Otherwise, it smells really good. And another thing is that when you apply it to your hair, it gives you that cooling, like I don't know if you ever use products that give you that cooling sensation on your scalp. That's what this feels like. I also got, which isn't new to me, but I also picked it up, was this Garnier Fructis Buttercream. I really love this stuff. I got this Garnier Damage Repairing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask with the papaya extract. And this stuff right here, like, oh, I wish it was a lotion. It could be a perfume. I feel like I had that on my face. It could be a perfume. This stuff smells freaking amazing. And the last thing I got were vitamins, just multi-women's vitamins. So let's get into washing my face. So we're gonna start off with step 1, which is the cleansing foam. Let me just read the directions really quick. Pump dispenser 2-3 times, massage gently over wet skin, over the eyes, rinse. Use AM, PM if bothersome drying or peeling occurs, reduce usage after a day after. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it to my brush. So I'm just gonna put like 3 pumps on there. It has a smell. It smells like soap. It smells just like, you know, like old people smoke. Right now, this kind of just feels like any other, you know, any other cleanser. Then I'm gonna apply it to my hands just to see if it gets, oh, looks like that. My skin feels pretty smooth. Alrighty, I'm gonna rinse that off. I'm washing my face with like warm water. Now step 2, no, that's step 3. Heck, I can't see. Step 2 is the Acne Solutions Clarifying Lotion. And this says, shake vigorously until powders dissolve. Use a cotton ball, sweep over face. So there's powder in here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's powder and it says shake vigorously. Shake, 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 Sonora. Shake your body now. Work, Sonora. Work it all the time. I don't have cotton balls, so I'm gonna take a cloth. I'm gonna take my face cloth and I'm going to just, you know, apply some. I just dropped it. Like for real, like no kidding, not for show, I just dropped it. What the f, I spilled this much. Damn, I can't see. So, moving on. I'm so sorry, Tati. But, I'm just gonna apply this. You can see, I'm about to show you that there's actually dirt still coming off my face. And let me tell you, I did not have any type of makeup on whatsoever. So that is what still came off my face. So, oh, and this has the same exact smell. It might smell like a little, you know, acidic, alcohol-y, but it smells like just like step 1. And then lastly, which is step 3, and it's the all over clearing treatment. And you just apply a thin layer. Don't tell me. Ugh. Am I the only one who does that? When you get something and you don't expect there to be like a little protective thing on it. I guess it's for the face, so they really should have it on there, but it's annoying. Ooh, I did not expect this to be white. I thought it was gonna be clear. This one actually has little to no smell. Little to no smell. I'm just gonna pat. Okay. Okay, so gonna let that sit in my face. Step 1, 2, and 3 is complete. I'm going to add the boost, the vitamin C boost. No, actually, let's go back to her instructions. And she said, use ACNE products for 2 weeks before using vitamin C. I feel a little tingly, like right here. I don't know if that's just me or if that's the product, but I did feel a little tingle. What do you guys, my skin feels pretty firm. It feels pretty tight. I don't want to touch it too much. All right, we're gonna document this. We're gonna take a look all right here. We're gonna check down here. You see, note all this. Here. This side is pretty like my clearest side. My forehead. I'm gonna put my glasses on first so I can see. I'm gonna put on my little Vaseline. And this one is, this comes in like 5 different types. There's cocoa, there's rosy, there's regular, there's alloy, and I think that's it. And this is it right here. All right guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share if you care. Follow me on Instagram at HaleyAlexa, and stay tuned for my next videos.